Welcome to this tutorial on Allflex milking intelligence. While dairy farms' goal is to produce as much high-quality milk as profitable, farmers look for a reliable system with minimal maintenance that would not require special skills, keeping healthy cows and healthy udders. To address these needs, Allflex offers a reliable operating solution that enables farmers to easily control milking on a daily basis for efficient and productive process. The ultimate milking station with ED200 configuration includes the full data flow 2 solution with 4 main elements: pulsators, milking controller, push button, and a milking sensor. The pulsators enable advanced pulsation and enable simplicity as they are almost maintenance-free. They are quick, rebuildable with just 2 moving parts, no membranes and no small parts, and there's no need for tools or special expertise. Their built-in vacuum monitoring gauge monitors the pulsation and provides at-a-glance indication of a malfunction. The milking controller delivers accurate milk yield data and reduces the total milking time by up to 20% for optimized milking control in less time. Automatic teat massage is applied as needed to stimulate milk letdown and changing the pulsation style according to the flow. When the flow is reduced below the configured threshold, automatic cluster removal will be applied. In addition, they enable end of milking to be set precisely and kept stable over time. The push button is a single multifunctional button that operates all milking commands with quick and easy control for simple and reliable operation. For instance, press once on the push button to start milking, or press twice to stop milking. A long press for 2 seconds will start manual milking. To stop manual milking, long press again. If you have a sorting gate installed in the farm and you wish to perform a quick sort, one very long press will send the cow to the sort yard. Another very long press cancels the sorting request. Last is the milking sensor, which is completely sealed. It has a small footprint. It requires one-time calibration and has no moving parts. Therefore, it requires 0 maintenance and only 8 liters of water per wash cycle. Its measuring technique is based on transmission of near-infrared beams through the milk flow. Milk yield and conductivity are detected through complex analysis of the changes in the electrical probes. Apart from the ED200 milking station, the milking solution has several modular configurations with state-of-the-art technology suitable for all farm environments. Beyond that fact, these configurations enable a quick and efficient milking process as part of the advanced pulsation and are with low maintenance required. They are scalable and therefore are suited to dairies of every size and type. The MC200PA configuration provides simple milking measurement along with stimulation, flow rate pulsation, accurate milk stop with pulsation arrest, and prevention of overmilking and teat irritation. Adding a double valve and a milking valve to this configuration upgrades the milking station to a MC200TO configuration with control cluster removal and more automated commands. Moving from a standalone solution to a full data flow 2 solution, 2 additional parts turn the MC200TO into the MC201DF. All Allflex configurations provides the farmer with several key advantages. It improves milking process by preventing overmilking and teat irritation, saves time per each cow, increases accuracy, and improves both the cows and the farmer's well-being, making the Allflex milking solution the leading solution in the market.